Sites can be used in several different ways. A site could be used as a division between physical locations, for example a head office and a manufacturing warehouse. Alternatively, it could be two buildings in one location, for example London Building 1 and London Building 2. This could be taken even further, with sites as used as individual rooms in a single building. The use case for sites depends entirely on how you want to compartmentalise the company. There is also no mandatory requirement for a site to be added. If you want to generalise the emissions across the entire company, the option None Site Related can be selected, but specifying and assigning emissions to a site allows for a high resolution when analysing where the emissions come from. When on the sites page, you will see a table that will contain all of the sites that you have added. There will be a site identifier, a site name, as well as a start and end date. The site identifier and the site name should be unique values, such as a site number or code, or generalised, such as the location, building name, or purpose of the building. The start and end date signify the start and end date of the site being used by the reporting company. For example, let's imagine that Acme Corp's head office was in Manchester, but halfway through the reporting year, the head office moved to London. They would then create a new site for the new location and set the start date as the move-in date. They would also change the end date of the previous site to the same date. This way, when generating reports that span across all sites, the emissions will not be duplicated. Instead, the Manchester office would be used for half of the report and the London office for the remaining months in the reporting year. By clicking on the pencil icon in the first column, the site name, start date and end date can all be updated. The only exception to this is the site identifier. Furthermore, should you wish to delete the site, the red button at the end of the row will allow you to do this if you have the correct permissions.